We are going to meet Gagan. I'm so excited. Sat Shri Akal, Wedding Punjab. Sat Shri Akal. So today we are here with Gagan Datta Artistry.
It's just one part of the story. If she is present over there, her presence tells me more.
Sat Shri Akal, Wedding Punjab. Sat Shri Akal. So today we are here with Gagan Datta Artistry just to know about her makeup world.
Thank you. Thank you. So, Gagan, if you could whisper one word into like bride's ear before she walks out after getting ready.
Yeah.
So, what would it be?
That's such an emotional question, I would say. It's a beautiful thing. And if I could whisper one thing into my bride's ear before she steps out of the room, that would be like, it's your day. It's you. You know, it's your story. You have been dreaming about this day. Like, हर एक bride अपने bridal day ਦੇ ਲਈ सारी जिंदगी सोचते हैं. Being a girl, I also know that. And I would say, yaar, hold your head high. You know, stay positive. You're gonna live this. This is gonna become the remembrance of your life. You're gonna remember this, you know. You are glowing like a queen. So live it and enjoy it at fullest.
I guess ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇਹ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬੂਸਟ ਅਪ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ.
Yes, of course.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah.
Good, good.
Lot of hugs and lot of love, of course.
Nice.
With blessings, yeah.
Nice. Okay, Gagan, so can you tell me one thing like about the one product only? Like what makes or breaks a bridal look?
Oh,
It's a big day.
Yeah.
So what's the one product?
That's an important question. Basically, for me, I think it would be base, skin work, the foundation. Basically, more importantly, कि अगर वो mismatched है, and that's gonna break your skin. That's gonna break your entire look, you know. If your foundation isn't, you know, going with your neck, of course, I feel like even if you create the bestest eye look or lip look, if your base isn't strong, that's gonna, you know, oxidize or whatever. मतलब वो ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੀ ਪੂਰੀ look ਖਰਾਬ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. I feel मतलब ਚਾਹੇ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਚੱਕ ਲਓ, ਚਾਹੇ jewelry ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ outfit ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ hair ਹੈ. If your foundation skin work isn't breathable, completely hydrated or well matched.
So base is the important thing.
Yes, it's the key, I feel. Yeah.
Got it.
So, Gagan, what's something you didn't expect this job would teach you about women or about yourself?
That's an interesting question. Actually. Yeah, basically, I never thought that this job would teach me is that being makeup artist, how emotional this work can be. You know, when a bride comes, sits into your chair, she's dealing with a lot of emotions at the same time. She's anxious, she's happy, she's excited, she's nervous. You know? And most times, the both insecurities भी होंगे. She's going away from her parents. She's sad. मतलब हुंदा ना emotions हुंदे उस time पे. You know, I feel that it's a privilege to be a part of her event, the like biggest day of her life, even if it's for a few hours only. You know, I try to open up with her. Every bride carries a unique story. हर एक bride दी अपनी एक different story हुंदी है. Open up होने ना, she expresses herself. So if I talk about personally what I have learned, patience and calmness, you know, the presence. Basically, it feels amazing. It feels wonderful. You're trying to uplift someone with your aura, your energy, you know, how you're talking, the care, the intention you put towards another person. So basically, I have learned being patient and remain silent during the most crucial moments.
That's the necessary part of her life.
actually.
Nice.
The A is patience, sikhana. What would it choose?
Nice. So, Gagan, when a bride sits in your chair, when she comes, when she sits in your chair, so how do you actually decide what will suit her?
So basically, I would say when she comes and sits in chair, I always try to take in everything, read her energy, what sort of person she is. Of course, vision sada bahut pehla hi decide ho chuka hunda hai. I like to see the costumes, the jewelry, the vibe of the wedding, and most importantly, how she wants to feel. It's not just about makeup. It's about putting trust or gaining trust. आजकल दे टाइम ते ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ trust gain ਕਰਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ. There's a lot of competition around here. So, you know, gaining that trust and putting your best effort while creating the bestest look of her event. So that's sort of a blessing for me as well.
Yeah.
So ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ we always create some sort of unique look for her. ਹਰ ਇੱਕ event ਦੀ vibe different ਹੁੰਦੀ
It seems interesting, like the way you choose the jewelry, outfit, है ना?
correct.
It's interesting, like
Yes.
to show your creativity, है ना?
Yes,
Nice,
yes.
nice, perfect. So Gagan, what's the common mistake? Like when your brides share you the reference photos, है ना? Before their big day,
Yeah.
I guess they share you the reference photos,
Yeah,
you know?
definitely.
Yeah.
That's-
So ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੀ mistake ਉਹ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ?
I think the common mistakes brides do while sending me the reference photos is like sometimes they send the photos which actually don't match their personality.
बिल्कुल.
That doesn't reflect their soul. What sort of look they have asked me prior, and then they send me the reference photos. It's not actually going with the features sometimes.
बिल्कुल.
The outfit vibe or the event timings. You can say day है night है ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਧਿਆਨ ਚ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ. I always encourage my brides to share some sort of reference ਕਿ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ style reflect ਕਰੇ. As well as we always love to pick elements from different sort of photos. Let's suppose I've picked eyeliner from some photo and I always explain them. See, this is the look. I am aiming this according to your features. It's not about copying and pasting.
जी.
It's about how you can look the bestest at you. So, ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਧਿਆਨ ਚ. Got it.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, come.
with the ears and expertise you become.
बिल्कुल. Practice
Used to
makes
it.
a man perfect.
Perfect, yeah.
Nice.
Gagan, when you imagine a bride, what do you see first? The face, the colors, the energy, or the jewelry?
Yeah, that's such a thoughtful question. When I imagine a bride, basically it's not just about the face, it's about capturing her spirit.
जी.
I always like to take her energy.
जी.
You know, when she's present over there, her presence tells me all. Whether she's soft and dreamy, bold and royal, calm and, graceful. So everything else follows, it's whether it's jewelry, outfit, textures, tones, rest of the things honestly follows. Makeup is just one part of the story. We need to capture her actual vision. That reflects her.
जी. Nice. So Gagan, what's the one styling mistake that instantly breaks the whole look, even the makeup is perfect?
That's an interesting question. In my perspective, I think the bad hairstyling and if the dupatta drape isn't done elegantly. Basically, we need harmony of everything. Outfit, jewelry, and if the hairstyling doesn't match your, face structures or features, then it's gonna spoil the entire look. So we need proper good hairstyling and draping. So that's gonna make the entire look amazing.
बिल्कुल.
So yeah,
जी.
that's it for me.
Gagan, your artistry is very personal and intentional. Do you have a ritual or a mood you tap into before starting a bridal look?
Yes, absolutely I do. Basically, when I start, before doing makeup, when I started, I always like to, take a moment to center myself, to remind myself that it's her day, her story. And I need to put the best effort to make her look exquisite. And I always like to keep my space calm, soothing, filled with good energy. Then I always ask questions. I love to listen to her vision. Though we have always things are pre-decided, but I always want कि अगर कोई last minute changes है उधे mind च, bride दे mind च. Otherwise, these are the things, and I feel makeup should be the reflection of her personality. It shouldn't be the mask, and these are the things I keep in my mind. And yeah, I feel every stroke is intentional because I feel that makeup should be the reflection of her personality. It shouldn't be the mask. She should be showing herself. The makeup shouldn't be overpowering her. So I keep these things in my mind always.
Okay. Gagan, what do you think what's the mistake that brides make before their wedding? You want to stop it, please.
One thing I feel like common mistake brides make just before the wedding is they try, so many new skincare products and treatments. I completely understand the desire to have a flawless skin, but I feel trying so many products is gonna make your skin worse. It's not gonna do any good to you.
Ji.
And I feel if I could gently remind them, I would say please stay consistent. Let your skin breathe. If you're facing any sort of, skin
Bilkul.
concern, consult a good dermat. Even a bride comes to us, we always take care of certain things. We give them a skincare regime. एक bride 5-6 महीने पहले तो तुहानू book कर दी है, of course.
बिल्कुल.
That's a good amount of time
बिल्कुल.
you need to give yourself for skin. I feel
You can give them the suggestion, right?
We always do.
I
We
guess
always do.
bride ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ book ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ to know the things, you know. Okay, and Gagan, one thing more, some brides are overstyled today, है ना? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੋਗੇ ਕਿ
I believe every bride has her own story. There's no one size that fits all when it comes to styling. Some brides are grandeur and some others prefer, simplicity.
Ji.
And I think when it's not reflecting her style, then it's of course overstyled. Every element should be, in harmony. चाहे वो outfit है, चाहे jewelry है, चाहे
जी.
makeup है, चाहे hair है. ਤੇ ਉਹ ਅਗਰ ਉਹਦੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਸੂਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ then it's not overstyled. Of course it varies
ਜੀ.
person to person.
okay. So let's do a quick rapid fire.
My favorite.
So my first question is, red lips or nude lips for the wedding day?
Of course, nude.
One product you never skip if you're running late.
Let me see. Yeah, my lip tint, of course.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
I can't, survive without this.
Okay. A trend you secretly wish would disappear.
Oh, I don't like this at all. Putting a lot of, highlight on your nose, cheeks, and, when you're glowing. Of course, it should be natural, but putting a lot of highlighter. Yeah.
One word for the Indian bride.
Whispers royalty. Royalty, of course.
One celebrity bride whose look you loved.
Prajakta Kohli. The harmony, the colors, the jewelry, the hair. I loved everything about it. Yeah.
Okay. So the brides who trust you or who questions you.
Both of them. Because a bride, when she questions, I can clear out her doubts easily. And then they can put their trust in me, of course, both of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Gagan, for your time and ਇੰਨੀ ਸਾਰੀ knowledge ਦੇਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ.
Always there.
Thank you so much. ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਕੇ.
Same.
And I learned a lot about the makeup things. ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ makeup ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ.
Yes, totally. There it is.
Thank you so much.
Thank
you, Wedding Punjab. And I hope our Wedding Punjab family gonna love this.